Hey guys, back out for another adventure. Today I got, we're out down in the Niagara region. We're on the upper part of the Niagara region, so it's like the Welland River, or actually this is like a canal that goes into a hydro dam and stuff like that. So just launched here. I actually got an email from one of my subscribers, Kevin, that said, yeah, I gotta come check this place out. So I met up with him, he's just down there. We're gonna go explore the Upper Niagara River area today. So hope you come along with us, see what we find, all the adventures that we're gonna get into. So let's get going. Hi guys, we've got this little offshoot here. This is an offshoot that runs down to the hydro dam there. So this gets into a reservoir there, fills it up. So we're going to continue going up the river this way and just see what we get up to. So let's find it. So right now guys, we're just coming up to going under the QEW. So, and what looks like a railway bridge. Alright guys, we've made it to the end of this stretch of the river. We've made it to the aqueduct that goes actually under the Welland Canal. So this river goes under right here, under the canal, which is just over there, and out on the other side and continues on. So kind of cool to see. So there it is. So now we're going to turn around, head back out to the Niagara River and see what adventures we can get up to on there. Alright, let's get going. made it back down the river, and now we're just about to head out onto the actual Upper Niagara River. So we're already starting to see some current here in the water, still in this canal and stuff. So people going by. So it's kind of cool. Like, I don't know if you can see the current going past this abrasion here. Look at the current already. That is Niagara Falls right there. That's how close we are. As you can see the spray coming out. I'm not sure if you can, but if not, it's there, trust me. But this is as close as you can get to it. They've got buoys marked out along it that you're not allowed to pass. So we're not gonna get any closer to that. So pretty cool to see. Shoreline right there, that's America. Hello guys, this shoreline here, Canada. Hello guys, me, well technically still in Canada. To America, that's Canada. I'll tell you, there's some current coming into this river from Lake Erie. Wow. Yeah, a bit more dicey than I thought it would. There's Buffalo right there. Oh, Buffalo. Go Coast Guard. Save the day. I don't know if you guys can see it, but look at the current coming over this. Like, I'm not even on gas right now. We're flying through here. Look at that. Holy. Guys, that's nuts. Like, it creates its own wake. Alright. On to punching. And guys, that mist that you see there, that's Niagara Falls right there. So we made our way back. What an amazing ride today. Thanks to Kevin for taking me out and showing me around. Definitely going to come back here again and do some more exploring around here. Just an amazing ride. I'd love to do it in the evening. I think that would be really nice. But for now, we're going to head back in, call it a day, go celebrate Canada Day with some friends, and I hope you guys have been out there and celebrating as well. Thanks so much for tuning in again. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Guys, please make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and you know, we just keep making these videos and enjoying ourselves out on the water. So until the next one, be safe out on the water. Peace! Oh wow, it's the RCMP. It's not even local. Drug bust. Da-na-na-na-na. So we're gonna head up the river, down the river? Up or down the river?
Yeah, go that way.
Is that up or down? Down, up.